Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Gusto for payroll-linked benefits and insurance step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Gusto website. Once you are on the home page, locate the Get Started button on the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be asked to create a password. Make sure your password is strong and click Create Account once completed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Gusto. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Gusto website. You will now need to enter your business information, including fill in the required fields accurately and click Next. On the following page, you'll provide details about your business structure, such as whether you are a sole proprietor or an LLC. Select the appropriate option that corresponds with your business. Next, Gusto will ask for your employer identification number, or EIN. If you don't have an EIN, there's an option to get one during this step. After entering your EIN, click Next to proceed to the next section. Now, you'll provide information about your employees, including their names and email addresses. Add each employee's information carefully and click Next after each entry. Gusto will then prompt you to set up your payroll preferences. Select the payroll schedule that fits your business weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Once you've chosen your payroll frequency, click Next. Next, you'll have the opportunity to configure payroll-linked benefits. Scroll through the benefits options offered by Gusto, like health insurance and retirement plans. Choose the benefits you wish to offer and follow the prompts to customize them. Review the information you have provided to ensure everything is accurate. After confirming, click Finish Setup to complete the registration process. You will receive a confirmation message showing that your account setup is complete. Once all steps are verified, you can start using Gusto for payroll-linked benefits and insurance. Make sure to log in regularly to manage your payroll and benefits efficiently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.